Hi, I'm Megan, the senior broker here at Excel Mortgage. We are so excited that you reached out to us for your new construction project. Whether it's a custom home or maybe even a Barndominium, we absolutely love bringing our clients' dreams to life. We specialize in offering a one-stop shop concept that streamlines the entire process for you, that can incorporate the purchase of the land, cost of construction, and then that really important conversion to a mortgage once construction is complete. What this does is it allows you, the client, to actually enjoy the process. Let us do all the heavy lifting for you and elevate your client experience. So, the first step in the proven process that I have perfected over the last 20 plus years is to schedule an initial 10 to 15-minute online meeting with me so we can get to know each other. You can share your vision with me, and we can make sure that we're a great fit to work together. We can't wait to hear more details about your pending project.